Hi everyone. Today's video will show you how to fix iPhone headphones not detected and get your sound back in no time. Method 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Toggle airplane mode on and off. This resets your device's wireless connections and can sometimes help your iPhone recognize headphones, especially Bluetooth ones. Method 2. Force restart your iPhone. If that didn't help, it's time for a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Next, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Wait for your phone to restart and test your headphones again. Method 3. Check for iOS updates. Still not working? Your iPhone might be running outdated software. Sometimes bugs in iOS can affect headphone recognition. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have enough battery or are plugged in. Method 4. Use TunesKit iOS system recovery to fix. If none of the above work, your system may have deeper issues that a simple restart can't fix. This is where TunesKit iOS system recovery comes in. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer and open the TunesKit. Choose iOS system repair section and press the start button. Step 2. Select standard repairing mode. This mode will not lose any data. Next, you should confirm your device information is correct. You can choose iOS 18 or iOS 26 here, and then press the download button to download the firmware package. Do not disconnect from the computer during the download process. The firmware package will start to be automatically parsed after downloading. Once the firmware package is downloaded, tap on the repair button. It only takes a few minutes, and your iPhone should be back to normal. Method 5. Reset all settings. Go to the General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset. Reset all settings, then enter your passcode and confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, but it will reset things like Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth settings, and sound configurations that might be causing the problem. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and fixes.